Hi everybody, so today's video is going to be about skincare that I will be using now that I'm back from a trip to Asia and I'm really jet lagged, and all I've really done is take 5-hour naps and eat pizza since I got back. So obviously my New Year's resolution of being super healthy is off to a great start. I'm going to show you some skincare that I like to use when I am feeling tired, jet lagged, or it's like winter and my skin's acting a little weird. I've got some spots and skin's a little more fatigued than usual. Jet lag skin, we'll call it. So I'm going to show you what I'm using now that I am trying to get my life back together after the holidays. The first thing I'm going to start with is exfoliation, because I feel like when you're away you don't take as good care of your skin as you normally do. Maybe you get a little dehydrated, you stay out too late, or you're like eating a lot of salty food or whatever it is, and then you come back and you're on a plane for like a day. Anyway, I'm going to start with this mask from Somme. It's called Boost. It's a pumpkin enzyme mask. So what it does is enzymes actually go and they eat the dead skin off of your skin. Think of it like Pac-Man. So they go in and they just like and they eat all the dead skin. It allows any skincare you put on after, like serums or treatments or even your moisturizer, to penetrate deeper and actually perform better. So I'm gonna start with that. I'm gonna use about that much. I'm literally just gonna put it from the center of my face. Especially like around the nose, I get a little dry. If you have specific areas on your skin that you get dry, then, aim for those. And if you saw the video that I did with Cindy last week, I actually used this mask before we started. So her skin is super glowy. She already has amazing skin, but just to give it a little boost, we'll say. And I'm gonna leave that on for 10 minutes right now. Usually I'll do this like at night, but I'll put this on, I'll watch a show, and then I'll rinse it off, and then I'll do all my next steps. So I've just rinsed that pumpkin enzyme mask from Somme off. I also forgot to mention that you want to make sure your skin is clean before you do any masks like that. I started by cleansing with this Henriksen Face the Truth gel cleanser. It's pretty simple. It's got a nice froth to it. It doesn't dry out your skin. Next, I'm actually going to do a second mask. Sometimes I'll do a sheet mask like this one. Lots of brands make these. I tend to buy multi-packs. I just found this pack of 36 in Taiwan, which was cool. I hope they're good. I haven't tried them yet. Sephora makes some that I really like. There's one that's like pomegranate. It's supposed to be energizing, which I think is great if you are coming off of a long flight and your skin's a little fatigued. I'm not going to use the sheet mask though. I'm actually going to use this oxygen mask. It's from Dr. Brandt. Comes out as a liquid, and then you put it on sort of quickly. And then you can see it literally turns into foam on contact with the air, and it tickles like there's ants crawling all over your face. But it's good because it's waking up your skin. It's like oxygen penetrating into your skin and re-energizing it, let's say. And it's going to work better because of the exfoliation we did before. Should I literally sit here for 10 minutes while this pops? This is ridiculous. Why isn't this popping? I can't stand it anymore, you guys. There's actually more than I usually do, so it's going to take forever. Okay, so once all the foam is popped, you're going to want to rinse that mask off, and then we're going to do the rest of our skincare. What I would love to have right now is a vitamin C serum. But I ran out, and the one that I had has been discontinued, so I'm not even going to mention it. If you guys have a favorite vitamin C serum, comment below and tell me what it is so I can try it because I need a new one. So since I don't have a serum to put on, I'm gonna go ahead with some eye balm. This one's from Somerville. Goat milk something. It's been well loved, so it's like all scratched up. It's also almost out, but basically put it on like a glue stick, you know, because you wear glue under your eyes. You just kind of go back and forth and then pat it, or sometimes I just leave it to do its thing. And then next I'm also going to use the Goat Milk Moisturizer, also from Somerville. This is just a very light daytime moisturizer. It's good for sensitive skin. It doesn't have any sunscreen though, so if it's summer or you plan on being in the sun at all, I would recommend putting a sunscreen on top of it or getting a moisturizer with sunscreen. It's been winter, so this is what I've been using, and when I was in Asia I was just using sunscreen. So I kind of don't like to layer them because it's too much for my skin. It ends up being too heavy. I'm just using about that much. I'm filming this in the middle of the day, but I just want to say if this was nighttime and I was getting ready for bed, which is actually when I usually do masks because I feel like I can kind of get more done at night rather than in the morning where you only have like 10 minutes to get ready. I've been really liking this, also from Somerville. I swear they didn't sponsor this video, but I just really like their products. This is Exfolikate Exfolikate Glow Moisturizer, and this moisturizer is a little bit heavier, so it's fine for nighttime, but in the daytime it's a little too much for me. It also has glycolic acid, which helps with further exfoliation sort of on a more daily basis. I really like that one. And last, since it is daytime, I might put a little bit of concealer on. I don't always, but just to show you guys. So I'm using the Retoucher from Tilbury. This is shade 2. Not a lot, I'm just putting like a little bit right here. And then I'm just literally tapping it with my finger. And I'm barely putting any on because I don't like it to look like concealer. I like to just, I'm doing it more to kind of tone down the redness and brighten under my eye just a little bit. I've got one like angry spot right there. Let's see if this is enough to cover it. Oh great, it covered it. And that's all I'm gonna do on myself. I feel like if I do too much, it gets makeup-y really fast, and I don't need it to be perfect. I'm just, you know, it's a regular day. It's like Wednesday. Oh, I need lip balm. I'm just using a little bit of Lucas Papaw. Is that how you say it? One in the little red tube. I also like to curl my lashes because everybody tells me I look sleepy. I feel like when I curl them, it helps just a little bit, you know, open them up. I don't know if you can tell the difference from here. Maybe. No mascara or anything, just curled. And then also sometimes I like to use a little bit of brow gel. Brush them up, and then they look just a little bit fuller. I wish I had giant bushy eyebrows, but I don't, so at least I can cheat it a little bit in everyday life. I hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment if you want to see me do anything else in another video. Hopefully I look a little bit better than when I started. I look a little bit less jet lagged. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Thank you. Bye.